Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic inbreeding depression. Inbreeding or consanguineous mating. It is a form of a mating system in sexual organism. Here the mating is done between the individuals related by a descent or a common ancestry or a pedigree relationship. That is like full sib mating or half sib mating. So the highest degree of inbreeding is obtained by the process of selfing. Hence, this helps to increase the effect of homozygosity in the progeny. Then comes what is inbreeding depression. When a cross-pollinated or a sexually reproducing species are subjected to selfing or inbreeding, they show a severe reduction in the vigor and fertility. This is mainly due to the fixation of unfavorable recessive genes in the F2 generation. Hence, this phenomena is called as inbreeding depression. So, for example, when a cross-pollinated or an asexually reproducing species are subjected to selfing, their heterozygosity is reduced by a factor of half in each generation. So, by a continuous process of selfing may lead to a complete degree of homozygosity. That is, the degree of inbreeding in any generation is equal to the degree of homozygosity in the next generation. Effects of inbreeding. Appearance of lethal and sublethal alleles. The characteristics such as chlorophyll deficiency, rootless seedlings, and defects in flower structure carry such characteristics in a population are not maintained and are lost. Reduction in vigor. So there is a general reduction in vigor of a population as the plant becomes shorter and weaker. Reduction in reproduction ability. The reproduction ability of the population decreases rapidly due to less seed set and sterility. So these kinds of population cannot be maintained. Segregation and separation of population into distant lines. Due to the fixation of various alleles, the homozygosity is increased. So the population line differs both in genotypical and phenotypic characters. Increase in homozygosity. Due to the process of selfing which is carried out for more than 7 to 8 generations, the plant became almost uniform. And the maintenance of such lines helps in the production of inbreds or inbred lines. Reduction in yield. So inbreeding generally leads to the loss in vigor. That is, the inbred line that is able to survive and be maintained will yield much less than the open pollinated variety from which they were derived. Degree of inbreeding depression. The various plant species differ considerably in their responses to inbreeding. So, inbreeding depression may range from very high to very low, or it may even be absent. Based on this, it is of 4 different types: lack of inbreeding depression or no inbreeding depression. The self-pollinated species do not show inbreeding depression as well as heterosis. It is because their species reproduce by self-fertilization and as a result, they have developed a homozygous balance. Next is high inbreeding depression, moderate inbreeding depression and low inbreeding depression. High inbreeding depression. A large population of plant is produced by selfing shows lethal characteristics and they do not survive. So, such lines will show a greater reduction in yield, which is less than 25% of the yield of the open pollinated variety from which they are derived. Example, alfalfa carrot. Moderate inbreeding depression. Here, many lethal and sublethal types appear in the self-to-progeny, but only a substantial portion of the population can be maintained under self-pollination. So, there is an appearance of reduction in fertility and many lines reproduce so poorly that they are lost. So, a large number of inbred lines can be obtained which yield up to 50% of the open pollinated variety. Next example is maize, jowar and bajra. Low inbreeding depression. Here only a small portion of the plants show lethal or subvital characteristics. The loss in vigor and fertility is very small, and rarely a line cannot be maintained due to poor fertility. The reduction in yield due to inbreeding is very small or absent. So it yields nearly equal to the open pollinated variety. Then example is onion, some cucurbits, rye and sunflower. Thank you.